Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to draft an email with Copilot in Outlook for Windows. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook web app, head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft in your browser, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait a moment for all your emails to load completely. This ensures everything is synced and ready for you to work with. Once your email inbox has fully loaded, look toward the top left part of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that drop-down arrow to reveal additional options. From the list that appears, click on Mail. This will open up a fresh email composition window where you can start creating your message. Now that your email composition screen is open, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the window. Locate the Copilot button on this ribbon. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over the Copilot button. When you do this, you'll see an option that says, Help me write an email. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open the Copilot window, which is your AI assistant for drafting emails quickly and efficiently. At this point, Copilot will prompt you to enter details about the email you want to create. You'll see the Help Me Write an Email option appear again inside the Copilot window. Click on it once more and start adding in the specific details of what you need. For example, you might type something like write a professional email to a client about a project update or draft a follow-up email to a meeting. Be as detailed as you'd like to ensure Copilot understands exactly what you're looking for. Once you've entered your prompt, hit enter. Now give it a moment while Copilot processes your request and generates the email draft. This usually takes just a few seconds, but the AI is working behind the scenes to craft a well-structured message based on the information you provided. Once the process is complete, you'll see a full email draft appear in the composition window, tailored to the topic and details you specified. From here, you can review it, make any adjustments if needed, and then send it off when you're ready. And that's it. You've successfully used Copilot to draft an email in Outlook for Windows, saving you time and making your communication more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.